In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude in design so you can turn simple ideas, screenshots, brand assets, and clear prompts into polished creative directions much faster. Whether you're working on a website layout, a landing page, or visual concepts for a brand, Claude can help you brainstorm, structure, and refine your design ideas in a really efficient way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Claude or Claude Design in your browser. Once it loads, start a new project or a fresh chat so you can keep your design task organized from the beginning. Starting with a clean workspace helps Claude focus on exactly what you want to build, instead of mixing your new design request with older conversations. Next, upload any reference materials you have. This can include screenshots, brand guidelines, logos, UI mockups, style references, product images, or any design files that help explain your vision. The more context you give Claude, the better it can understand your style, your brand, and the kind of result you're aiming for. If you already have colors, fonts, spacing rules, or examples of pages you like, add those too, because that gives the model much stronger guidance. After that, describe the design you want to create in a clear and specific way. This is where your prompt really matters. Instead of saying something vague like, "make it look good," try to explain the exact type of design, the purpose of the page, the target audience, and the sections you want included. For example, if you're designing a website, you could say, design a modern landing page for a fitness app with a hero section, pricing table, testimonials, and a call to action. That kind of prompt gives Claude a clear structure to work with, and it makes the output much more useful. If you want even better results, you can add extra details about the tone and style. For example, you can ask for a clean and minimal layout, a bold and energetic visual style, or a premium and professional feel. You can also mention mobile responsiveness, brand consistency, accessibility, or conversion-focused design if those matter to your project. The more precise your prompt is, the easier it is for Claude to generate ideas that match your goal. Once you send the prompt, review Claude's response carefully. Look at the structure, the layout suggestions, the messaging, and any creative directions it gives you. If something feels off, don't start over, just refine the prompt. You can ask Claude to make it more modern, reduce the number of sections, improve the call to action, or rewrite the layout for a different audience. This back-and-forth process is where Claude becomes especially useful because you can iterate quickly without wasting time. A great workflow is to treat Claude like a creative assistant. Use it to brainstorm page sections, organize content hierarchy, improve copy, and generate design concepts before moving into your actual design tool. That means you can save time in the early planning stage and move into execution with a much clearer direction. If you're a designer, marketer, creator, or business owner, this can help you get from idea to mock-up much faster. Also, remember to keep your prompts simple but structured. Start with the goal, add your context, include your reference materials, and then define the exact output you want. That gives Claude a strong foundation to work from. You can always follow up with more detailed requests if you want to tighten the design, change the style, or adjust the sections. If you found this helpful so far, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells me to make more step-by-step guides. So, to recap, open Claude or Claude Design, start a new chat or project, upload your design references, write a clear prompt describing what you want, and then refine the result until it matches your vision. Once you get comfortable with that workflow, using Claude for design becomes a fast, practical, and creative way to plan better visuals and better layouts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.